The king of pop pops the question. In May of 1994, Neverland meets Graceland. Jackson weds Lisa Marie Presley, daughter of another music icon. The press speculates that the marriage is nothing but a PR stunt.
People ask me, was it real? And I say, absolutely.
Trump invites the couple to his Palm Beach palace called Mar-a-Lago.
I will tell you, they spent the entire weekend in this incredible room that they occupied.
Easy Rider, oh see what you have done. I said see, Easy Rider, oh see what you have done. Girl, you made me love you, and now you never look. What I say? Well, I'm going away, baby, and I won't be back here for. Well, I'm going away, baby, and I won't be back here for. If I find me a good girl, I won't be back at all. Hear what I say, baby. See, Rider. I said, see, Rider. I said, see, Rider. I said, see, Rider. I said, see. I said, see, Rider. I said, see.
There should be an answer for all of this, my friend. All your doubts and questions are so appropriate. Like, can you live? Can you feel? Should you stay? Straight for words I just can't say. For words I just can't say. If I could write a letter with perfect thing to say. I'd give a damn good reason. I'd assure you it's okay, and that you can live, that you can feel, that you can stay. I wouldn't stray for words I just can't say. For words I just can't say. How do you fly this plane? How do you fly this plane? Can it be that we'll get better? Way less on your mind. Will you be okay? Will you one day find that you can live and that you can stay? Words I just can't say. Words I just can't say. If words could make it better, I'd say them every day. I'd flash bright lights upon them, and neon lights that say you can live, you will be okay, that you should stay. I wouldn't stray for words I just can't say. For words I just can't say. You can fly this plane.